Today we are doing a delicious recipe with sweet potatoes, cauliflower, chickpeas, and turmeric. The first thing I did, I took 8 medium sweet potatoes. I washed them with cold water, then I peeled them and I diced them. After I diced them, I put them in a bowl. So one thing I did, I put 8 tablespoons of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of sea salt. I gave them a nice mix. I preheated the oven to 400 and I put them in for 30 minutes. Now I took a half an onion, or you can take one whole medium onion, diced it, put olive oil in a fry pan and let the onion saute for 3 minutes. Then I took a cauliflower and I broke it down to small pieces and I put it on the top of the onions, and 1 teaspoon of dry garlic, a half a teaspoon of turmeric. I took a can of chickpeas. I emptied the liquid, it's inside the can, and I give it a quick rinse with cold water. Then I put the chickpeas on the top of the cauliflower. I add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and I let them cook to all the flavors, all the different ingredients become one, like all the flavors. So I think I let them cook all together about 15 minutes. The fire, it was between medium and low. After 30 minutes, I took out the sweet potatoes from the oven. I gave them a nice mix and I put them back in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I took out the sweet potatoes from the oven and I took the fry pan. I had the chickpeas, the cauliflower, and I poured it right on the top of the sweet potatoes and I put them back in the oven for 10 minutes. And what I did 2 over easy eggs and I put them right on the top. And the eggs elevate the meal to a different level, and at the same time, you are getting some protein. When I was making this recipe, I was thinking about my friend John and his wife Catherine from Vancouver, and I know they're going to love this recipe. Remember, how we eat is how we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.